If you don't have a brand story on Amazon, you're leaving sales on the table. But here's the kicker. Most sellers, maybe even you, have no idea what this is or how it can silently make or break your sales. In this video, I'll show you exactly what brand story is, where it shows up, and exactly how it could be costing you conversions you didn't even know you were missing. Oh, and I'll let you know how it unlocks something even more powerful later on in the video. My name is Emma Shermer Tamir, and if you want to know how to turn clicks into conversions, then you are in the right place. We've helped over 2,500 brands launch and grow online, which means that we have a lot of experience crafting winning Amazon brand stories. If you've ever wondered what separates listings that convert from ones that just sit there, you're going to want to stick around. Amazon shoppers buy from brands, not listings. And your brand story is one of the most underused tools to be that brand that customers must have. That's why I've created a free Amazon brand story workbook to guide you through the entire process to craft your own winning brand story. I'll show you exactly how to grab that in a moment. So let's start at the very beginning. What is a brand story? Imagine this. A customer lands on your product page. They're curious. They're open, but they don't really know who you are. They've never heard of your brand and they've been burned before. They've bought the cheapest product and had it fall apart after the second use. They have purchased products that looked amazing on Amazon only to get them in their hands and realize they're garbage. And so they're skeptical. Then they see your brand story. They learn a little bit about you. They understand your values. They see that you are a real, legitimate brand who cares about your customers. Suddenly, you're not just another product, and you're not just another fly-by-night brand that's trying to win them over at all costs. You're the brand for them. That's what a great brand story does. Amazon Brand Story is a carousel style module. It often appears above the A+ or premium A+ content, though it will bounce around a bit, especially if you are shopping on mobile and whatever Amazon may be testing on any given day. This carousel is made up of a variety of different modules that allow you to share your brand values, story, identity, highlight, cross-sell, upsell your products in your catalog, answer FAQs, build trust and emotional connection, and also unlock premium A+ content. Now, as a default, you can publish the exact same brand story across all of the ASINs in your brand catalog so that no matter what product a customer clicks into, they get an opportunity to learn not only about your brand, but all of the best sellers in your catalog. That means that you create it once and it boosts the performance across your entire catalog. That's incredible ROI if you do it right. Or if you want to take things to the next level, then you can create multiple brand stories that are tailored to different collections within your catalog. That's totally up to you, but one is great for starters. So how is your brand story different from A+ content? Here's a quick breakdown. You might have heard the term enhanced brand content or EBC. That refers to your brand story and your A+ content. Your A+ content is focused on a specific product, whereas your brand story, as it implies, is speaking at the brand level. So we have standard or basic A+ content. Then you have premium A+ content, which has the power to significantly increase your conversion potential through interactive modules. But there's a catch because you need to publish a brand story in order to unlock this privilege. So premium A+ content is just another very compelling reason why a brand story is so important when you are thinking about how to boost your conversion potential. You can and should use both. It's not either or. An optimized listing strategy incorporates A+ content, ideally premium A+ content, and a brand story, not either or. So what's included in a brand story? So this is where a lot of sellers start to get confused because they understand the value of a brand story, but putting it into action is another story. So make sure that you're paying really close attention during this part, and also be sure that you're subscribed because in an upcoming video, I'm going to be walking you through my exact process of how to write and design a winning brand story. Amazon offers several different modules that you can mix and match. So there is the brand carousel background, ASIN and store showcase, the brand focus image, brand logo and description, and the Q&A module. Each of these modules has the ability to add imagery and text. You can also edit the text directly into the images if you would prefer to have the text more visually aligned with your brand style guidelines. These modules might sound simple, but how you put them together makes all the difference, which is why in an upcoming video, I'll show you exactly how to write and design your brand story so it actually makes people want to buy. So why does it matter? Your brand story isn't just a box to check. This is a tool that I have used to help many clients gain traction in hyper competitive niches. And one of the reasons for this is not just because it helps align customers around your values and helps really drive that connection, but because it can boost performance across your entire catalog. It really is one of those key pieces that can create a ripple effect across your entire business. That's because when your brand story is done right, it can build trust with first-time customers, it can reinforce emotional connection, it can increase brand recall across products, it can boost conversions through storytelling, it can drive awareness about other products that could be complementary or maybe a better fit for customers that they may not have otherwise had the opportunity to encounter if your brand story wasn't there. In a sea of so many competitor listings who are all saying the exact same things, your brand story is a key tool that you have to stand out. It's not just about cramming in more features, it's about building relationships. And relationships directly translate to better conversions. That's because more than ever, customers are shopping based on values. If customers can't tell who you are, why you exist, or why they should trust you, then they're going to buy from someone else. And this is even more important for challenger brands, newcomers, anyone that doesn't have that brand recognition or is going up against some really heavy hitters. This is a must. Now you might be saying, wow, Emma, this sounds amazing, but how do I even know if I can use it? If you're brand registered, you're in luck. If you are not brand registered, this should be your wake-up call and you need to go take care of that ASAP. And I mentioned that free guide. And if you're ready to get started this very minute, get that free workbook that I mentioned. You can do that by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Now that you know what brand story is, I'm going to show you how to write and design your brand story so it connects, converts, and makes Amazon's algorithm fall in love with you. If that video is live, then I will go ahead and link it right here. If not, then it will be another super valuable video that you will definitely want to watch. So go ahead, click on that video. I better see you over there. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Bye.